Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. OMG, I have a huge Temu haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and see what deals and goodies I was able to get. I believe most of this is Valentine, so let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, first thing I would love to share with you is these heart containers. And you do get 10 of them in the package. And all of this is little heart containers. I got these so I could maybe put some goodies in there. Look at that. This is actually real nice. So it's it comes up. That. So yeah, this is actually a real nice deal. And this one's not that expensive, but like I said, you get 10 of those. Those. I hauled some Valentine cardstock. So excited. These are actually pretty paper. So this one's actually like a glossy, and this one's let's see that one sheet. Yeah, it's actually not too bad. That's not bad. It's like a glossy shine to it. So you get the love. You get love. You get the flowers. Oh, that's pretty. You get the hearts on the white background. Beautiful. You get the XOXO. Oh, like this is like a watercolor. Like a watercolor. Oh, you get the lock and key. You also get this one. That's beautiful. The hearts. Oh wow, look at this one. Now I like these kind of theme ones because you could always make a little journal with that. Look at the key. It's actually real pretty. The heart with watercolor effect. And then you also get that one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love. And I also hauled these the heart trim. Now these I did haul in a previous video of the pink one, which only had 2 yards. I went ahead and got the one that had, I believe if you want to roll like this, you want to look up, I want to say like it was 500 and something. Yeah, this doesn't say. I'll put it in the description below, but there's a number that you want to look up so that you get a big roll like this, not just 2 yards or stuff like that. So this one is the ribbon. Look at that. So it's the heart ribbon. So I got this in red and in pink. I want to say this was 10 yards, but you do get a lot in that one. And I did haul the pink one. The pink was the same thing. So I got that one also. So I got the red and pink. I have some jemmies here. And I like these because you get different sizes. And you get different type of jemmies in there. And I get this from a shop. So I hauled these in other colors before. So I wanted to get the dark pink and light pink mix. I also hauled some shred, and does it say how much? No, I'm not sure how much comes in here. I did get a little bit of shred because I needed some more. I hauled this teddy bear Valentine die, and it's actually pretty good size. I hold that one. And I will be testing these dies to see if they work or they're worth it. And then the next one I have here is this background die. And I believe it does for an A2 card. I got that. And then I have this one here, which is like a little square. And I wanted this so that I could put other stuff on top of it. I got that one also. And then I hauled another, well, this is called Postcards. So I got another set of Valentine postcards. And I really like these. Now these are real thick. Look at these. I love the art of those. That one. How cute are those? Now these you can also use for card fronts. They'll make a nice little card. These are so really, these are real pretty. Real pretty. That one. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Look at those. Oh wow, look at that one. You can also make bookmarks and even those charms, like the junk journal bookmark with the charms on there. You can make that. Use these for that too. And the thing is, you just put something in the back side. Oh wow, look how pretty that one is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Like that. Real nice. Love it. Love, love, love. So I got those. And if you want to look those up, those are postcards. Okay, then I also hauled some blue heart jemmies. And I've hauled in previous videos, I believe, pink and red. So I got some blue ones. And then I have some heart tissue, which I'll use in packaging. So I got some of those also. So that would be a good deal to add in packaging. I have some more heart dies. This one is the bear with a heart in front of it. This one was real cute. Got that. I have a heart Mendax. This is a good timing for Valentine's. And then I also got some lips and heart stencil. But I do like inking backgrounds. And then I found some flamingo charms. And when I saw these were actually really cute. And they're actually fuzzy. They're just the flamingo in the upper body with no feet. Look how cute he is. I got these also. And you can dangle them. See how cute are those. And then check these out. I hauled some beads, some red and pink. Actually, this one comes with a little white one in there. But I also got some beads on there for Valentine's. So I did get it in pink and red. And the shop does come with other colors. Like you see that white. I don't remember what other colors, but I will link it all below. And then I was able to get some red and white and pink bows. And these are, I believe they were beads. Yeah, they are beads. Look at those. I got me some of those. I did haul, I don't know if I hauled these before. I could have. I don't know if that's the second time that I'm getting that. Also got a trim here. This shop also has multicolor, but I wanted to see how it looks. I got this one. And it's a trim with sequins on it. I believe you get 2 to 3 yards. Usually get 3 yards, but look at that. Look at that. That's a real nice. Love that. And then I hold another die. Now these I knew they were going to be small, but I wanted those. And then they came in a circle, and these are all from the same shop. And this one is like a flower looking one. Also got this one here. Now all of these are small, which I knew they would be. And then I also have these cherry flatbacks I found. These are actually a little fat. So these you can add a eye screw on it and turn it into a pendant. Well, look how cute those are. So I have those. I did get another package of the jemmies, so that I have enough. And then I hauled the cherries in the pink and red. And the cherries are from the same shop. That, how cute are those? Super cute. Love, love, love. I hauled another background. I could put it on my binder. And then I also hauled these heart appliques, and they come in light pink, dark pink, red, white, blue, and purple. That is so pretty. Here we go. Those are nice. And I've hauled these before. I believe last year, but I needed some more. And then I have another small die. Like that. I like those dies because you could add dimension to your crafting embellishments or cards. And then I did haul another trim. This one I hauled is in pink. Look at that. So it has sequins on a trim. So I have that one. And of course I hauled me some fabric here. I believe you get 4 of them. Let me open it. So if you saw previous videos, this is about, I think, I want to say the same size. Almost the same size as the other ones that I hauled. But look at that. So you get the Valentine one, different hearts. This one is the cupcakes and black hearts. You get the Know Me Homies. And then you do get the other one with the flowers and the homies, with the hearts, and you got the little cocoa. I believe that's it. So you only get a 4. Yeah. So that's the 4 that you get for this. So I do love this. Love this paper. Love this fabric. I always want to call it paper. So I got that. Now the last stuff I did haul were some clay cutters, and I did have these heart ones. I believe they came from, I don't know if they came from the same shop. I got that one. And this one is the heart and lock. Thought that one would be cute to make. And this one here is the heart. Got that one. And this one here, and I will put pictures on the screen. This one here is like different ones. So you get a balloon dog, a disco heart, You get some others in here. I have to get a picture for that one. You can see it. And the last thing I hauled is this bow cutter. I also got that one. So yeah, that is it for my haul. I will leave all the links below if it's available. Do let me know if you have any questions. Let me know which one is your favorite. For me, I like it all because it's mainly pink. But that is me. If you want to subscribe, then hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.